So, till now the day was super fine. I'm ready now on a Indrive bike. It's something like Uber, just in Nepal. You see the traffic. And yeah, now I show you a bit how the traffic looks like. Here's another stupa, the historical Sharumati stupa. Wonderful. Yeah. And normally the air is not that clean here. It just was raining like for 20 minutes. So normally you have a lot of dust and dirt and pollution in the air. So Kathmandu has really a shit air quality. So she's in the middle of the street with her disabled kid and is begging for money. Look at that.